pull up, 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 pull up.
Just passing over the northern shore of Long Island. Should be touching down here in about 15-20 minutes for an on-time arrival. Current weather, light winds, a few scattered clouds, temperature is about 84 degrees. We enjoyed having you on board this morning. Always appreciate your business and we'll fly with you again in the future. Get another 15-20 minutes of flight attendants, please. Prepare the cabin for arrival.
Entertainment is about to begin. For further details, please refer to your copy of the in-flight entertainment guide found in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you. Safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. My name is Jovan and I'm your cabin services director for today's flight. Our cabin senior is Kasturi. We have an excellent team on board today and we are all happy to offer you any assistance you may require throughout the flight. Shortly we have the pleasure of serving you hot breakfast with your choice of tea and coffee, and prior to landing into Stockholm we shall be serving you with refreshments. Our in-flight entertainment has begun. Also in your seat pocket, you can find a copy of Fly Healthy, Fly Fit, a brochure to ensure your health and well-being during the flight. Ladies and gentlemen, here in Qatar Airways, we aim to offer you genuine service and hospitality every time you travel with us. We would like to know how well we achieve this today, and we truly welcome your feedback. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Stockholm, Sweden. We have just landed at Arlanda International Airport, Terminal 5 F Pier, where the local time is 15 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon.
$300, $500, $400, $300, $200, $100, $50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $500, $400, $300, $200, $100, $50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
Connections are requested to coordinate the ground staff. Customers holding onward boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for gate assignment information. Ladies and gentlemen, the next time you fly with us, check in online at qatarairways.com. Select your preferred seat up to 36 hours before departure. For more information, please visit our website at qatarairways.com. On behalf of Qatar Airways Captain Babak and the rest of the crew, we do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us this afternoon, and we thank you for flying Qatar Airways. Have a pleasant stay here in Stockholm or a safe onward journey. Good afternoon.